Today here at Quartermax, we are installing Dashden, and I'll show you how I got to this point here in a few steps. First off, I like to start with a very rough template of the area that I'm filling, and I will take it and put it on my cardboard here, trace it out to make a better template. I'll reinstall that to make sure that we are in where we like it and all the trimmings are good. Once I'm happy with it, I'll take it over here to my material, do the same thing, trace it out, cut it out into my piece. Then I will lay out some bead rolls in it if we like, whatever design, and lay out my stitch welding where we are going to attach it. Now the centerpiece is a little bit more difficult than the side pieces, of course, because of the rolls that you have here, but it installs like so, right? But what I need to do is figure out a measurement here and total width of our piece of material, find out the bend lines, and transfer it over onto my material. And now, see, I laid out my bend lines on my material and my height of what I need so I could lay out my bead lines. So you need to lay out your beads before you do your roll, otherwise it will not fit in the machine. And this is how we install the Dashden at Quartermax Racing. Thanks for watching.